Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly exciting for you. We are at the Apple store in the Mall of Emirates, Dubai, on iPhone launch day. And guess what? We have the first look at the stunning iPhone 15 Pro in a black titanium. It's all happening right here, right now. Let's dive in and unbox the beauty. Alright, folks, here it is, the iPhone 15 Pro in all its glory. But before we get into the nitty gritty, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss latest technological updates. Gorgeous black titanium finish that's never been seen before an iPhone. Check this out. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with a USB-C connector, a game changer in itself. I don't know about you, but I am already blown away by this device. But wait, there is more. If you are excited as we are about the iPhone 15 Pro, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Let's spread the excitement. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay in the loop with all the things tech. Thanks for joining us on this epic iPhone 15 Pro unboxing journey here at the Mall of the Emirates, Dubai.